Designed for the new and ever-changing world of cellular communications, introducing the Advanced Modular Communicator by Resideo. A communicator with fast operation, versatile installation, and innovative technology. Using the latest LTE communication standards, it improves and helps communications be future-ready for security and life safety in both residential and commercial installations. The Cat M1 LTE technology, used by leading carriers, has greater signal strength and power efficiency, improving performance underground and within structures. And with improved speed, customers will enjoy quick Resideo Total Connect 2.0 response time with VISTA, DSC, and Interlogix control panels. The Advanced Modular Communicator is highly versatile and is the right product whether the installation is cellular only, cellular and Ethernet, or cellular and Wi-Fi, or use Ethernet or Wi-Fi only. Its flexible, modular design gives you all the choices you need for installations now and in the future. Simply add a Wi-Fi module to connect to the Internet, or a Wi-Fi module that also adds Z-Wave for the control of smart devices, and a dialer capture module to seamlessly take over competitive control panels with tip and ring. The communicator is easily and quickly programmed and activated using AlarmNet 360. And as you successfully provide advanced communications today, you can be confident that you are ready for the future. A plug-in module can be simply installed by an end user, updating the communicator to whatever new technology comes along. And for the next sunset, you won't even need to roll a truck. With the advances in cellular communications, you need a communicator with fast operation, versatile installation, and innovative technology. The Advanced Modular Communicator. From Resideo.